Jamie from Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to tie off your project and weave in your ends. So when you get to the end of your project, I just did my last single crochet here, and normally I would chain one and go on to the next row. But what we're going to do is cut our yarn so that we can finish off our project. So I like to cut, I don't know, maybe like 6 inches of yarn depending on how thick the yarn is and how much I intend to weave in. And then I just kind of do a chain and pull the yarn all the way through, and that secures it right there. But then we have this long tail, so we need to do something with that. So you're going to need a yarn needle. You can get the plastic ones or metal or whatever you like. I like these larger ones. For me it just feels easier. So go ahead and put your end through the yarn needle, and then we're just going to kind of sew in and out. Now I don't sew, I just only learned how to do this when I learned how to crochet, so you can just kind of go in and out wherever you want. I just take up a couple of, I go in a little bit this way and pull through, kind of try to get under some of the tighter stitches so that it's secure. And I go one way and then I try to go maybe back the other way. I mean, I'm really just finding stitches. There's no real rhyme or reason. You could go down a little bit, go up. That way it makes it more secure. So just kind of find some stitches, and you can see that you can't really tell where I've gone through. So just go in and out a little bit here and there. Try to go up one more. And then I like to go through, you can leave it there and cut off your yarn and it should be plenty secure. For blankets and things like that, I like to go through quite a bit, maybe like 5 or 6 times, just to be sure that it's not going to fall apart when they wash it. And then the last one, I like to go through, and before pulling it all the way through, I kind of leave this loop here, and then I put my needle back through the loop, and that will make a little knot, and pull it real tight. And you can't see it on your project. I mean, it looks a little there. You can't see it or anything, but you could do that once or twice. Sometimes for hats and, like I said, blankets, I'll do that twice. But then you can just cut your yarn, and it blends right in with the project, and you can't tell. And then you'll do the same for the end that you started with. So that's how you weave in your ends for crochet. If this video helped you at all, I would greatly appreciate a like, and if you'd like to subscribe, I'll be doing a lot more videos. I've just kind of gotten started here, but thank you so much for watching, and feel free to leave a comment below if there's anything that you'd like to see me make a video for as well. Thanks so much.